Let's talk about creating a new Google Classroom and how to populate students into it. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure you're logged into your dashboard. Then you'll select the Google Classroom icon from the dashboard. This is what we call your Google Classroom dashboard. So it has all of your Google Classroom cards here. To create a new class, you're going to go to the upper right and select the plus sign, and it will give you the option to join a class or create a class. So if you're a student and you have a code, you would join the class. But since you're a teacher and you're creating a class, you're going to select create class. Here you're going to name your class. So it could be Science 7 and first period. Then you'll select create. You guys are familiar with how to customize this page and how to use it, but let's talk about how you add students. There's actually 3 different ways you can add students. One would be to add students here where you're inviting them individually. What this will do is actually when students go to their Google Classroom and they click on that icon from their dashboard, they'll see your class populate here, and they'll have a message to accept or reject the invitation. The second way would be to go up to the settings cog, and you can grab the link here, and you can send this link. You just hit this copy invite link, and you can send it through an email, either in Skyward or if you've created a Gmail list with your students. That's a second way. The third way, since you're in person and you have students, might be the quickest and the fastest, and that would be to display the code when everybody's in class. So students would then go to their Google Classroom dashboard. They would click the plus sign, but they would say join class, and then they would type in the class code. Once you have your students rostered here, say student 1 is disenrolled from the class and they're no longer in your class, they've moved or they've changed sections, to delete them, you would simply check the box in front of their name and then you would select remove. Confirm remove, and that student will be dismissed. So as students come in and come out, your rosters will no longer sync. That control is going back to you as the teacher. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. I'm happy to help.